So having pulled out the original green wires and substituted them for Scaly's bootlace stuff, we now have, well, obviously not finished, I don't have the brass strips in to lay them all out, but we now have something that looks rather more like it should be. Ignore the mess on the bottom. I now actually have it doing something useful as opposed to the kind of Bletchley that just runs. That pretty much says it all, I guess. That's the free outputs, obviously. I'm not going to read them out, you can read them yourselves. And it's great to make these little notices up on your own typewriter. Just put in a bit of paper, clickety clickety clack, and there you go. Now, of course, they have two spark quench circuits. One's actually a spark quench, which is across the 6-second contacts on the clock. The other one is across the, we're going to actually have a look, it's across the LED for the 6-second, because I kept getting a inductive back voltage blowing it, and that of course came from the clock 36, cue the light there. Clock 38, sorry. Lovely. Which is the 10th of a second check clock. So, well, my system is slightly out from my 36s here, as opposed to 46, because they're not synchronised together. But we will, in a moment, be coming up to, this is fun, 450, 441, you see, 47, 440.7, that's decimal 7 every 6 seconds. I think the main system's going to tick just a few seconds early. And 441, if I go look at my check clock over there, it's pretty much accurate. So this is, obviously it's going to be replaced with old looking lenses, which I'll put somewhere and can't find, but then that's me. I wanted some of the larger ones, but I don't have enough, so I've got a few of these here. Look at that. Just line that up with the LEDs. There we go, choice of colours. So obviously I have a little box, maybe even this one, I don't know yet. Obviously renew the top, put it underneath the clock here. Have the flashing indicator light, same as these types here. And it'll be, oh, I think we're about to stick for the minute, aren't we? There you go. And everything will look marvellous. I've even managed to do another larger bootlace fake on a 6-way wire here, which is really hard to catch for the camera, but I think you get the idea. Just feed a load of modern plastic stuff into it. You know the insulation's good. So, as far as we go with the 46 so far, come on, don't overload the brightness, I just want to see the, there we go. Yeah, we'll like that, scale it out. I didn't do my PS. I've had to alter my log, which was only 1 page, but now I've got my sync check column and my 46 column, it's gone up to 2 pages. There we go. Right, now it's scaling out. Here's a pretty clock then.